Trent Jesse here. In this video tutorial I'll be teaching you about how to use the woothemes Woo Shortcodes button. So to get started, when you create a blog post or any page, you'll see inside of the toolbar here this little icon that says Woo. It's really small lettering, but when you click on that icon, a box is going to pop up and it allows you to insert what we call shortcodes. Now we're going to go over some examples and show you what each shortcode does, but my shortcode starts off with a bracket and ends with a bracket, and it automatically displays a particular button, or it formats text the way you want. So you'll notice here when we click on the Woo Themes button right here, it allows you to customize and create buttons, icon links, info boxes, and you'll have to play around with a lot of these sections right here and see what they do and see how you like them and how you can integrate them and implement some of them in your website using your Woo themes for WordPress. So related posts, it presents a link or a number of different links that are related to other articles on your website, and my contact form. So you see here that there's a lot of different tools that you can use using this Woo Shortcodes button. So to get started with the first one, we're going to click on button, which I've already done just ahead of time to show you what a shortcode looked like. And I inserted a shortcode right here, and I published it. And so we're going to click on preview the changes here and show you what it looks like. So it automatically displays this red button right here. Okay, this red button shows because I inserted this shortcode. So let's start and show you how to insert that. So you click on this icon, you click on button, and it's going to pop up a box. Then where it says title, just give it a title. It's up to you on what you call it. We're going to call this testing. The link, it's optional. You don't have to put a link in there, but a link would take the customer, after they click on the button, to a destination site of your choice. It could be a link to some area within your own website or to some external website. So in this case, we're simply going to create a link that takes the customer to google.com. Alright, something simple. The size of the button can be any size you choose, extra large. Style, we're going to make this a download button. And the predefined style, we're going to make red. Now if you choose a predefined style, you should not choose background color or border, because if you do, then it's just going to override the predefined style. So if you choose red and then you come down here and choose a color, then these color settings are going to be used instead of this color here. Alright? So then you choose your dark text. Should it be light or dark? Well, since we have a red button, it makes more sense to have light text, right? And then the CSS class is more for advanced users, so you don't really have to worry about that. And if you want the link that you put above right here to open up in a new tab, then you simply mark this to yes. Okay, and that's the last option of the button shortcode. And so scroll up a little bit and you'll see this blue button that says insert. Simply click on that and there you go. It's going to insert this shortcode. Starts with a bracket, ends with a bracket, and we're going to click on update. Okay, once it updates, we're just going to come over here and refresh the page to see what it looks like. And there it is right there. See that? So if we're to click on preview changes, we'll see more. Okay, there you go. So when I click on testing, it's going to open it up in a new tab. It's going to take us to Google. Alright? So that's the shortcode function for creating a button. Now you can do an icon link. When you click on icon link, you can give it a title, and you can have it go to any site that you desire. I'm just going to do Google. And the style of link that you want, we'll do a note, and the icon, is optional. It's a URL to the custom icon that you want to use, so it's highly customizable. You don't have to use the defaults that woothemes implements for you. And then the title attribute, that's just good for SEO. You don't have to worry about it for this purpose right here. And then click on insert. Okay, and so this is the link URL, or the link shortcode function. We're going to click on update, and we're going to view the page and see what that one looks like. Okay, and that's what that looks like. Little tick right here, and the link is connected to Google. Okay, so continue on with testing those out. Some of the usages of these shortcodes can be if you're offering some type of product or downloadable file or music file. Okay, you can use a button for that. It's also helpful to use for your calls to action for people to clearly see on your pages or even your blog posts if you're promoting affiliate products or any other type of offer. Okay, and you'll notice here that these shortcode systems down here for list generating are really helpful. So if you were to present a lot of information that needs to be sorted or presented in a list, then you could easily use this shortcode to create that for you. So if you wanted to create an ordered list of data, you click on that. You choose what type of. It's kind of complicated, to get started off with if you've never used this, but you can choose what type of ordered list you want to do, and then you click on insert, and it'll start here. Okay, so button link ordered list, and it's going to give you the place your list item here text. So you can create your list. Just create a bunch of text here. Click on update. Once again, we're going to view the page and see what it looks like. Okay, and there's our list. All right. So you can just simply delete that when I'm done. Okay, the others, dividers. The dividers shortcode is really helpful to use if you're presenting a lot of information and you want to section it out. Say the horizontal rule, the divider, and the flat divider, so you can play around with those. So once you click on any of them, it's going to automatically put in that shortcode. Okay, same thing for the other one, dividers, horizontal rule. Okay, and the social buttons, these are pretty nice to use as well if you're not already using them. So you can insert specialized icons for like Twitter, the Twitter follow button, Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, and a bunch of other ones, so that you can consider using. So go ahead and test it out and see how you like it, and that's the end of this tutorial.